Hello, hi everyone. Welcome to the Maruti classes. Today we are continuing our class 8 mathematics class, and today we are starting a new chapter of chapter number 2 of your maths subject. So this chapter here is linear equation in one variable. So here as per the name implies linear equation in one variable. So here what is variable, what is linear equation, we have to learn here in this chapter. What the terminology says, we have to learn that. I am giving you some examples here why these were called as linear equation and why these were called as one variable. We have to understand these terminologies here. Linear equation, linear equation, what does it mean, the linear equation? There were many types of equation like the linear equation, parabolic equation, cubic equation. The linear equation here, it shows a linear line y is equals to mx plus c. This shows a linear equation. This is the graph of linear equation, y is equals to mx plus c. Might be possible you are not able to understand this graph because the graph is in the x direction, y direction, and here a graph is drawn in the x and y direction, which is equal to y equal to mx plus c. This graph is the linear graph. This graph is a linear graph, and the linear graph here, the x and y, here some values of x, this is the x and this is the y. Here y, this line going at an angle from x. So here the equation of y for this line is mx plus c. C is nothing but a constant. So here this is called as the linear equation, and linear equation with one variable. One variable is nothing but the power of the x, exponential power of the x. Here mx plus c. Here the power of the x is 1. 1, that means it is one variable. Here we can see that in your notebook what they have written here is linear equation with one variable. Here it means the power of the x is 1. Here the power of the x is 1. If the power of x is more than 1, then it doesn't be called as the one variable. It will become more than one variable, two variable, three variable, whatsoever. So we have to learn all this in this chapter. There were some examples like the equation 5x is equal to 25, then what is the value of x? 2x minus 3 is equal to 9, then what is the value of x? 2y plus 5 by 2 is equal to this much data, then what is the value of y? So we have to solve and get the answer. Here just like we have to we have to solve some examples like this one is some more tricky than other example. Let we have to try this example. Here they were saying 2y plus 5 by 2 is equal to 37. 2y plus 5 by 2 is equal to 37 by 2. Not written here. Yeah. 2y plus 5 by 2 is equal to 37 by 2. Now we have to solve and get the value. What's the value of y? We have to calculate here. So here 2y is equal to 37 by 2 minus 5 by 2. Again y is equals to 1 by 2 and 37 minus 5 divided by 2. Again here 1 by 2 into 32 by 2, and here 1 time 16 time 1 time 8 time. So here the value of y is 8. So this is our final answer. So we have to solve this type of question in such a way. Now we have to further moving forward to the next topic here. In introduction, they were written the common terms of this algebraic expression and equation. Now here moving forward, here they were trying to explain how this unknown variable, and this is the equality sign, and it become the equation 2x minus 3, how the term from left hand side goes to the right hand side by changing this sign, and then finally getting the value of x. All these were explained here in theoretical format. We have to learn this in by solving the examples. Just like here, when we see the example number 1, 2x minus 3 is equal to x plus 2. Here, transferring the minus 3 into the into the right hand side, and x into the right hand side, left hand side, sorry. 3 into the right hand and x into the left hand. X in one direction, and variable in one direction, and constant in the another direction, and then finally we are getting the result as 5. Similarly, this one question and many examples were given. Let us solving the exercise. We have to solve some exercises. Here I am taking some tricky problems of your exercise, like question number 6. What is saying question number 6? 8x plus 4 is equals to 3x minus 1 plus 7. Another one example is here. Let us solve in the sheet. We have to solve this in the sheet. Yes. Here question number 6 is saying here 8x plus 4 8x plus 4 is equals to 3 times of x minus 1 plus 7. So how we will solve this type of question? Here what we have to done is solve 8x plus 4 is equals to, firstly remove the bracket, 3 into x minus 3 plus 7. Now x from one side and constant from the another side. So 8x minus 3x is equal to minus 3 plus 7 minus 4. Now 8x minus 3x will be 5x. 5x is equal to minus 3 minus 4 minus 7 plus 7. The ultimate result is 0. So x, the value of x will be 0. This is the answer of question number 6. Now again your another one more tricky question. Let us solve question number 9. Two y plus 5 by 3 is equal to 26 by 3 minus 1. 2y plus 5 by 3 is equals to 26 by 3 minus 1. Now we have to solve and get the answer. Here some digits are written in p by q format or in the rational number format. So here for our simple rule is, firstly arrange them variable in one side, constant in another side. So when we taken up minus y in the left hand side, then its sign will be changed, minus 2 plus, and 26 by 3 minus of 5 by 3. So here it will become 3y, and this will become 21 by 3. 3 1 ja 3 7 ja 21. So y is equals to 7 by 3. Is it our answer? This is our answer. Now another one example, here we have taken, let the example number 8. This is the most tricky question in this series. 2x by 3 plus 1 is equal to 7x by 15 plus 3. So here we have to solve question number 8. What they were saying here is, let's begin to the next page. Yes, if the question is 2x by 3 plus 1 is equals to 7x by 15 plus 3. Now here the constant, the variable term 2x by 3 minus 7x by 15 in one side, and the constant will be in the another side. Now here we have to taken the LCM of 3 and 15. The denominator 3 and 15, here we are taking their LCM 3 1 5 1 1. So here the LCM will be 15. So 5 cross to 10x minus 7x. So this will become 3x by 5, 3x by 15 is equals to 2. 3 1 time, 3 5 time. So x is equals to 10. This will be the answer of question number 8. So I think you will be more pretty much clear what I am trying to teach you in this type of question, how to deal this type of question. Now we are further moving to the forward. Now they were just raising their level. This is the level 1, exercise 1 is the level 1 type of question. Now as we are going to the forward questions, the level of the question will be risen up. Just like here we are seeing that reducing the equation or simpler form into simpler form. How to reduce the equation in simpler form? They were just solving the equation by simplifying the equation. Here in the example number 16, as we are able to see here, what they were doing here is multiplying 6 both side. 6 as we are taking 6 common from both side, it will cut from both the side. That's why when we multiplying on left hand sides and right hand side the 6, then it doesn't change the ultimate result, so we can do that. So here 6 multiplying both the sides, then finally they were solving them and getting the result as x is equal to minus 1. Again they were checking the result by putting x is equal to minus 1. Is the answer will become left hand side is equal to right hand side or not? They put minus 1 from left hand side here and right hand side, and checking they were just putting x is equal to, here the answer is equal to minus 1. They were putting this data here to check is left hand side or is equal to right hand side or not. Then if it will become equal, then our value of x equal to minus 1 is correct. It will prove that. Similarly they were solving the question number 17, 18, question number 17. Yes, that's it. Then again one more exercise here. Let we have to solve this exercise, then you may more pretty much clear what they were trying to teach us in these lectures, in this exercise here. So I think we have to solve question number 5. This will looks like more tricky than the other questions. So let's try question number 5 here. What is the question number 5? You may have to, if you are using notepad and notebook and pen, then please write the question. 3t minus 2 divided by 4 minus 2t plus 3 divided by 3 is equal to 2 by 3 minus t. Write down the question. Now we have to solve this question. Hopefully guys, you all are enjoying these lectures. Okay, so question number 5, what the question number 5 is saying here, 3t minus 2 divided by 4 minus 2t plus 3 divided by 3 is equals to 2 by 3 minus t. Now here in the earlier question we are transferring the variable portion in one side and the constant portion in the another side, but here it is in mixed format. Then how we will have to solve, what will be the approach to solve this type of questions in a simplest way? So here many ways. Type 1, way number 1 will be, firstly 3t by 4 minus 2 by 4 minus 2t by 3. I am breaking there these all terminology, these all data into variable and constant format. 2t by 3 minus 3 by 3, this minus goes here, so minus plus minus 2 by 3 minus t. Now 3 by 4t minus 2t by 3 plus t. This t comes in the left hand side. Here 2 by 3 plus 3 by 3 plus 2 by 4 comes here. Okay, now here what will be the LCM is 12. 4 3 ja 3 3 ja 9t minus 4 2 ja 8, 8t plus 12t is equals to 1 ja 2 ja 3 2 6. Here the LCM is 6. Now 3 2 ja 6, 2 2 2 ja 4 plus 2 3 ja 6 plus 3. So here it will become 13 by 6 and here 4, 9 4 13, 13t by 12. Now here 6 1 ja 6 2 ja 13 to 13 cancel out. Therefore the value of t will be equals to 2. Now we have to check by putting the value of t is equal to 2, is the left hand side becomes equal to the right hand side or not. Here we have to check. Let's, when we are putting t is equals to 2, then the 2 by 3 minus 2, it will become 3 2 minus 6 minus 4 by 3. This is the right hand side, and left hand side t is equals to 2. When we put t is equal to 2, then 6 minus 2 by 4 minus 4 plus 3 by 3. So 4 1 minus 7 by 3, then 3 minus 7 by 3, this will become minus 4 by 3. So ultimately the result will be the same, minus left hand side is equal to right hand side. So hopefully guys you will all understand what I'm trying to teach you. Let's going to the another more question. Then if you are not understand here, then further question you will able to more, your understanding capability will be risen up. Let's we have to select question number we have to select question number 10. Yes, this will become looks more tricky because here decimals were used. So let's try the question number 10. So you have to write down this question number 10 in your notebook. 0.25 4f minus 3 is equals to 0.05 into 10f minus 9. Okay, student, you all are ready to solve question number 10. Let's start a question number 10. 0.25 multiplied by 4f minus 3 is equals to 0.05 into 10f minus 9. We have to solve this question. So it will transform here. We are solving here 0.25. We can write this in 0.25 equal to 25 upon 100 into 4f minus 3 is equals to 5 upon 100 into 10f minus 9. Here the 100 and 100 were cut down. 5 1 ja, 5 5 ja. So 5 into 4f minus 3 is equals to 10f minus 9. Now again, firstly solve the bracket. So 20f minus 15 is equal to 10f minus 9. Now constant in one side and variables in another side. 20f minus 10f is equals to minus 9 plus 15. So here 10f is equals to 6. So f is equals to 3 by 5. This becomes the value of f. Now we have to check this value is true or not. Here putting the value of f in the equation in the question. Now 0.25 into 4 cross 3 by 5 minus 3. So 25 upon 100 into 12 by 5 minus 5 is a 50. Yes, 25 1 ja 4 ja. So minus 3 by 5 into 1 by 4. So minus 3 by 20. This is the data of left hand side. Now on checking right hand side here, right hand side here is 0.05 to 10 into 3 by 5 minus 9. Here 5 by 100 multiply by 30 by 5 minus 9. So here 5 1 ja 5 20 ja 1 by 20 into here 5. Here this is 5. 30 minus 5 9 ja 45. So here 1 by 20 into 15 by 5. 5 1 ja 5 3 ja. 5 1 ja 3 ja. So it will become 3 by 20. So here also the result will become minus 3 by 20. Here also the result become minus 3 by 20. So left hand side is equal to right hand side. So our answer 3 by 5 is correct. So this is the way to solve this type of question. Now I think you guys have better understanding capability to solve how to solve this type of questions. Some more questions were also given. You have to try this in your own, and hopefully you will understand. If you are facing any doubt in this exercise 2.1 and exercise 2.2, then mention your question number in the comment section. I will try to teach you in the next lecture. So this is your chapter number 2, very simple chapter. It is completed from my side. If you have any doubt and any questions of the exercises of exercise 2.1 and 2.2, then you may ask your doubt. You ask the question in the comment section. I will try to teach you in the next class. Thank you guys. Today's class is over. Further class we are we are starting with the another chapter, your chapter number 3. So goodbye.